Hi everyone in the cross-border e-commerce community. Today we're going to discuss the legal aspects of cross-border e-commerce. First and foremost, I want to make it clear that while we're experts in cross-border e-commerce, we're not lawyers. Therefore, when watching this video, please consider our views as a reference rather than legal advice. Cross-border e-commerce is a dynamic business model that is reshaping traditional retail. Through cross-border e-commerce, we can sell products in different countries and regions without the need to hold inventory ourselves. This presents great opportunities for entrepreneurs, but it also comes with some legal risks and challenges. Firstly, let's talk about whether cross-border e-commerce is legal. In short, the answer is yes. Cross-border e-commerce is a legal business model, but we need to comply with a series of regulations and legal provisions. When engaging in cross-border e-commerce activities, we must adhere to the laws of the destination country or region, especially regarding intellectual property rights, consumer rights, product quality, and taxation. So, how do we avoid legal disputes in cross-border e-commerce? First and foremost, we need to be aware of the risks associated with intellectual property. In cross-border e-commerce, intellectual property infringement is a common issue. This includes unauthorized use of others' trademarks, patents, copyrights, or other intellectual property. To avoid infringement risks, we should choose to collaborate with suppliers who are legally authorized and ensure that the products we sell do not infringe on others' intellectual property rights. Furthermore, we need to avoid unfair competition. Unfair competition includes false advertising, fraudulent behavior, and price deception. To avoid legal disputes, we should adhere to principles of honesty and transparency, ensuring that our marketing activities and pricing strategies comply with legal requirements. Additionally, we need to establish sound after-sales service and return policies. In cross-border e-commerce, consumers have the right to request returns or refunds. If we don't have reasonable return policies, we may face legal lawsuits and consumer complaints. Therefore, we should establish clear and concise after-sales service and return policies to protect consumer rights and avoid legal disputes. Moreover, we need to comply with platform regulations. Whether selling products on Amazon, Shopify, or other e-commerce platforms, we must comply with the platform's regulations and policies. These regulations include product listings, advertising promotions, transaction processing, and other provisions. If we violate platform regulations, we may face consequences such as account suspension, product delisting, or even legal lawsuits. Finally, I want to emphasize that while cross-border e-commerce presents great opportunities, we cannot overlook legal risks. As cross-border e-commerce practitioners, we must constantly pay attention to changes in laws and regulations to ensure that our business activities comply with legal requirements. Only then can we achieve long-term success in the field of cross-border e-commerce and avoid the losses caused by legal disputes. In conclusion, cross-border e-commerce is a legal business model, but we need to comply with a series of legal regulations and policies. Only in this way can we achieve long-term success in the field of cross-border e-commerce. Good luck to everyone in the cross-border e-commerce.